I'm washing the car really quick. So listen, this is my weekend Walmart haul. Let me tell you that the deals kind of suck. And the only reason why I was able to make it work is because Amy sent me them Knox coupons. So again, thank you, Fran. Thank you, Amy. So I need a total of 18 offers for $5. Just left Walmart. But I realized why these are $1. Because when people bust the cases open, the singles are all marked down for $1. The case is like $7 or $8. So I'm drinking a protein shake right now. Yes, I grabbed like 3 of those. But yeah, that's what I need for this bonus. I was able to hit it, but that's only because my windshield wiper's broke. Whoa, I need to replace the blade. Oh man, it just flew. It just literally flew. Oh man. Thank God it's the summertime. We ain't worried about no rain no time soon. But listen, if you're new here, if you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face right here, I am Shay with the Pow Pows. If you take a second to subscribe, also make sure you smash like button. Also make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, support your girl, and don't forget to hype your girl up. With that being said, I'm gonna head to Walmart. Well, I already did. So we got an awesome deals I can grab. You want to switch your girl? Go ahead and hit the like button. Keep on watching. All right, y'all. So I'm finally doing this freebie on the Char. Is it Char or Scar? Artesian bread. This is a free offer on Social Nature. It's priced at $6.26. You'll get that back, making this a freebie. All right, next up is the Capri Sun Hydrate. Price at $3.47. We have a free offer on Ripple Street, making this also a nice little freebie. All right, because this is an easy deal to do, and because I still have a $5 Knox coupon on the Airwick, I'm grabbing one priced at $7.48, using that $5 printable, bringing it down to $2.48 out of pocket, getting back to on Ibotta, making that 48 cents. All right, so next up is the Zegrid. It's priced at $9.98. I did see Sisters Saving You Cents post this deal. So we're going to grab one at $9.98, getting back $3.50 on Ibotta, and $6 on checkout 51, bringing that down to only 48 cents. All right, just a reminder on this deal on the Zine Tones cream. It's priced at $10.44. We have an offer on Social Nature, getting you back $7.38, and then $2 on Ibotta, making that $1.06. All right, so this deal here on the Dial Body Wash, it did get a little bit better because the kicks on Be Frugal went up, and so we're going to grab one at $3.97, getting back $2.37 on Be Frugal. We also have $1.20 back on checkout 51, making that only 40 cents. All right, so this deal here is on the Axe. Now, these normally work with the buy 2 get back 6 offer on Ibotta, but it is working on the buy 2 get back 8. So I grabbed 2 of these, priced at $4.98. That total is going to come to $9.96. Getting back $8 on Ibotta will make them only 98 cents each. So I went ahead and grabbed the CoverGirl mascara. It's priced at $5.98. We're getting back $3 on checkout 51, $3 on Swagbucks, and $2 on Ibotta. Is going to make that a $2.03 moneymaker. Now you could also grab the CoverGirl face product price at $5.97. Getting back $3 on checkout 51, $3 on Swagbucks, and $2 on Ibotta would make that a $2.02 moneymaker. Now I did find some clearance, which is pretty awesome. So I grabbed this one here, priced at $4, getting back $3 on checkout 51, $3 on Swagbucks, and $2 on Ibotta. It's going to make that a $4 moneymaker. With that being said, I didn't bore you with the candy and the razors, but I did do those deals as well. And so with that being said, I'll see you guys for the final breakdown. I'm losing my light, y'all. I'm losing my light. Let me lighten this up a bit. I'm losing my daylight. I'm about to lose it. Listen, y'all, this is my haul for today. Everything worked out good. Only reason why this happened was because of the razors. Like, I would have probably did like a few of these deals, but that would have been it. I did share the Farmer John bacon on my community tab. I did this deal in my last video. The points went up on Be Frugal, so I had to do it again. And I did that deal at Food for Less. It's also available, well, the stores in my area, Vons and Albertsons. I think Vons has it for $7.99. And so that's why I went to Food for Less. It makes them a moneymaker. I did a set for my Checkout 51, and then I did one for Joseph's, and I did Be Frugal twice. So it makes all 4 free, which is awesome, because y'all know bacon is hella expensive. And I don't even eat bacon like that, to be honest. Like, I like the uncured, great value turkey bacon at the Walmart. That's the kind I like. And so I'm not even a big fan of pork bacon, but I could not pass this deal up. My dad loves bacon. My sister, she's supposed to come get that ice cream. I told her, I said, girl, you don't come get this ice cream, it's not going to be here when you get here, okay? My greedy ass will eat it while you on your way. So hopefully she'll be here tomorrow. So I'm like, either you get here or get here and ain't gonna be here. And I'll give you some toothpaste or some razors. And so hopefully she'll come and get it. What else with this haul? So the Capri Suns. Me and Joseph had a discussion, look, and I said, look, babe, look, boo, I'll hook you up. I'll hook you up. I'll hook you up. I am the GOAT. I got the connections. So I got him a Ripple Street too. So now he's in. So that's why I did that deal again. I'm hoping, I'm crossing my fingers I get the ice cream on his account too. That's what I'm actually hoping for. But anyways, everything here worked out good. All my coupons, again, I think I said that like 17 times. So everything that you see here retails $146.50. I had $51 in coupons, which brought the out-of-pocket down to $95.50. Our sales tax was $8.72, walking away with $41.97 from Ibotta, $27.66 from Be Frugal, $11.42 from Checkout 51, $6.26 from Social Nature, $6 from Bucks, $3.90 from PayPal, and $3.47 from Ripple Street. Brings our total to $168 back, making everything you see here free plus a $5.18 moneymaker. I'm not complaining because I got a bunch of bacon. Am I going to eat the bacon? No. Would I eat the bacon? Oh, hell yeah. Oh, hell yeah. Yeah. So I'm definitely not complaining by no means. And so with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to smash that like button. If you got to this point in the video, girl, boy, man, child, woman, mother, father, sister, brother, cousin, hit the like button. I want to see a bread emoji in the comments if you make it to the, I did not show you, let me show you how the floors look. They look so, the refrigerator's still in there. That's because they have to pack us back in. They haven't packed us back in yet. And so, but yeah, it looks good, huh? I'm so happy that it's finally like done. I'm so happy. They just have to put the they just have to do the bottom of the cabinets and stuff. They have to do all of that and then pack us back in. But it's so nice. I'm so excited. I'm like, oh my gosh, it's so pretty. It's so beautiful. Oh my God. They gotta put this in. And so yeah. But anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, again, don't forget to smash the like button. Support your girl. It's free. I know y'all like free stuff because I like free stuff. It's even a moneymaker because guess what? You getting something out of it. So it's actually a moneymaker for you. With that being said, I hope you have an awesome day, night, whenever you're watching and wherever you're watching from. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.